These are the elevators at the Fort Duquesne and 6 garage in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These have innovation security fixtures. Oh, buttons are over here. Go to 6. What floor?
2.
2?
Yes, thank you.
I think that's just burned out. Here 2. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a
You're
good day.
welcome. Door close button doesn't work. Well, it works whenever you take it out of door hold. I believe these were originally Dover's, but modernized with innovation security. It's very vibrating. Here you're at 6, go back down to 1. Here's the garage. Obviously these elevators are all modernized crap. There's a security guard right there, outside of the lobby though. ADA phone, just your basic stainless steel caps, big drop, not harsh, but pretty far. No certificate, don't know why that is. Hate it when there's no certificates. And there's a guard like standing right in front of the call button when I press that call button, so I'm not sure what he's gonna react to. Oh, he's gone. And I would call that elevator, but there was like 2 lanterns in it.